Did you know that a Hollywood action star could soon be joining the Billionaire Club? Not because of movies, but thanks to tequila? Yup, you heard that right. Dwayne The Rock Johnson's Teremana Tequila is making waves, and it could be a game changer for his net worth. But how exactly could a bottle of tequila help him join the ranks of the richest billionaires in the world? Stick around and let's find out. Now, before we dive in, quick question for you. Have you ever tried tequila? If yes, what's your favorite brand? Or are you more of a cocktail person? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see which drink wins the popularity contest. All right, let's get back to The Rock and Teremana. So, let's set the stage. Dwayne Johnson, aka The Rock, is the epitome of success. From his wrestling days to blockbuster movies, he's become a global superstar. But here's the twist. He's not just flexing those muscles on the big screen. Oh no, he's got his eyes set on something much bigger. You guessed it, folks. Tequila. Let's talk about Teremana. It's a premium tequila brand launched by The Rock back in 2020. But this isn't just any tequila. Teremana is all about quality, craftsmanship, and, of course, the spirit of excellence. The name itself means spirit of the earth in the indigenous language of the people of Jalisco, Mexico, where the tequila is produced. So, why is Teremana such a big deal? Well, for starters, it's not just the taste, it's the story behind it. Dwayne Johnson has poured his heart and soul into this brand. It's not a side project for him, it's a passion. And that passion has translated into serious success. The Rock is hands-on, promoting Teremana with the same energy he puts into his workouts, and it's working wonders. Here's where things get really interesting. In its first year, Teremana sold over 300,000 cases. For a new tequila brand, that's massive. And by 2022, sales soared to over 2 million cases. That's a serious spike. But the real kicker? Dwayne Johnson wasn't content with just success in sales. He wanted to build a brand that's about more than just profit. Now let's talk about the big picture. According to industry experts, Teremana's trajectory could potentially make Dwayne Johnson a billionaire in the coming years. You see, the tequila industry is worth billions globally, and with the popularity of Teremana skyrocketing, The Rock is positioning himself to take a significant slice of that pie. To join the Billionaire Club, Dwayne needs to hit a pretty high benchmark. We're talking about a net worth of at least $1 billion. So, how does Teremana fit into that equation? Well, think about it. The tequila market is booming. The Rock's brand is becoming synonymous with quality, celebrity, and a lifestyle that many people want to be a part of. With global expansion, new markets, and increased demand, Teremana could easily multiply its current sales, pushing Dwayne closer to that billion-dollar mark. But let's pause for a second. What makes Teremana stand out from the sea of tequila brands out there? Well, it's all about the personal touch. The Rock has made sure that Teremana isn't just another celebrity-backed product. From the way it's crafted to the sustainable methods used in production, this tequila brand tells a story. It's authentic. It's got that personal connection that makes fans feel like they're part of something special. Fun fact. Did you know that The Rock personally delivers bottles of Teremana to major retailers? That's right. He's not just a face on the label. He's involved in the nitty-gritty of the business. Talk about dedication. So, how can Teremana take Dwayne Johnson to billionaire status? Well, a lot of it has to do with timing. The world's richest people have made their fortunes by tapping into industries that were poised for massive growth. And the tequila industry? It's definitely on the up and up. Plus, Teremana isn't just about the product. It's about creating an empire. From merchandising to partnerships, The Rock is building a legacy that could keep growing for years. Here's the thing. Teremana's rise is more than just business savvy. It's about creating something meaningful. It's a reminder that success doesn't happen overnight. It's about vision, hard work, and never backing down. Dwayne Johnson's journey to billionaire status is far from over, and Teremana is one of the biggest moves in that direction. If you've ever wondered what it takes to join the Billionaire Club, look at Dwayne Johnson. It's about staying true to your roots while expanding in new and unexpected ways. And if Teremana's success is any indicator, The Rock is on the fast track to becoming a billionaire, one shot at a time. Now here's the big question. What's next for Teremana? Could The Rock expand into other markets, maybe other products, or perhaps he'll create even more exciting collaborations? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. Dwayne Johnson is just getting started. If you enjoyed learning about Dwayne Johnson's path to the Billionaire Club, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Teremana could make The Rock a billionaire? Let's talk about it. And remember, if you don't leave a comment, I'll assume you're secretly a robot. Just kidding. Or am I? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.